What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry, and today I'm in Texas at Monolithic Dome. And what we're seeing here is Dave South, the president of Monolithic Home here. He has two 40-foot domes, and we're looking at the backyard of the domes. And we're gonna walk in, and just like the other dome I showed you, it's very deceiving, these domes, because you can see the entire dome from the outside, and I'll show you the front view. It looks deceiving. So here we're walking in. This is through the back door. That's the front door. And if we come around to this side, you see this is one of the two 40-foot domes. So in this dome, we see we have this beautiful spiral staircase going up to a loft space. And then if we look back here, we have bedrooms in the back. And these are bedrooms, and this is all part of one dome here. So we'll walk this way. You can see how roomy it is. Pianos here, a nice space for couch and things. Here's a very roomy office space. You can see how tall the ceilings are. They're very tall ceilings. This is how the window looks. These walls are concrete. And we're going to come this way. And we're going to come this way. Now we're going into the second dome here. And again, look how spacious it is. Tall ceilings. We have a living room. You can tell the size. It's a very big space. And this beautiful window layout. Look at a beautiful looking pond in the yard. And it's just so much more spacious than you would know. And again, you're living in a structure that's hurricane and tornado resistant. It's fireproof because all the walls are concrete. It's termite proof because there's no wood in here other than the furniture. Here's the kitchen. Huge kitchen. Very big. And then we have a little office space here, which is also large. You can see we have our office, chairs. Here are the windows. We go through. We have a small a bathroom here. Here's our bathroom. All right. We walk through. We have our laundry room. Plenty of space. This is just one of the two 40-foot domes. And with the right layout, you can have your bedrooms and your pantry closet. The pantry. It's a very big pantry closet. I don't know where the light switch is, but that's the pantry. And you have another closet here. Here's the kitchen from this side. Okay. Now we're going to walk out. We're going to walk out through the front door.
Okay. From the pond.
This is the front door. Now we'll show you the outside of the dome. This is the front. You see how you can see the whole dome, and it has it's very deceiving. You think it's a small house, but as you see when you walk in, it's a very big space. And here is the garage. This is a 30-foot dome. You can see this would make a great garage for anyone. If you need a garage, you get yourself a 30-foot airform, and you can easily fit 2 cars or 2 trucks in here. And this particular one has this sliding door. It's like a hangar door, and it slides all the way over. Anyway, that's it for now. This is Aircrete Harry, just showing you another dome from Texas. Peace out. I'll catch you guys later.